Hi everyone, I'm Isian. So today I'm going to do a quick review on the brand new Honor Magic Earbuds. So let's have a look. And this is how it looks for the package, in front and also from the back. The characteristics include professional active noise cancellation during calls, touch control, and also having a powerful bass. Let's have a look inside. So, earbuds. So underneath the box, there are still something else in it. The wire and also the soft rubber thingy that you put on the earbuds. Looks like this. Inside, the Type-C cable, and also I think there are total of six in it. And these are the extra one. There are already two included on the earbuds itself, and the other one is, I guess it's a warranty card. Yep, the warranty card. And that's all for the box. And now the main character of the day. So this is how the case looks like, and just like a slightly larger version of your medicine. And it's so small you can basically just grab it like this. This is the part where you charge your earbuds using the Type-C cable. Then, have a look inside. Ta-da! Look how beautiful it is. Small and tiny. And you see the green light, right? This is when you have to press this button for around 2 or 3 seconds for the green light to open, and you know that this is when your Bluetooth have already turned on, so you can connect to any of the devices. It doesn't need to be a Huawei phone or an Honor phone. Any brands of phone which have Bluetooth function on it will be able to connect it to the Honor Magic Earbuds. I like the details on it. You see that there are the labels on it, the left side and also right side, and also include the labels on the earbuds itself. You see, R on it. Like it. Now I put on my Honor Magic Earbuds, and I would like to try the noise cancellation function by singing along with the instrumental playing on my earbuds while playing another song on the other side to distract me. So let's see how it really works. Three little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little girl dash on the concrete.
A few moments later.
My feet are light, we fly round the zone. The world is a chain, the world is a up, and that's the result. The noise cancellation function works. I thought it would cancel my own voice actually, but it doesn't. I still can hear my own voice while listening to the music on the earbuds, and it helps to cancel and reduce down the noises around my surroundings. And there's another thing that I want to mention is, you see the earbuds here, you thought that it would drop down easily, right? Doesn't. It fit perfectly on your ears. And when you put it back to the case, notice the sound.
I can hear you, but I won't.
That's the magnetic function between the case and also the earbuds. So it won't drop down that easily. See? It won't drop down that easily. So yeah, that's all from me from reviewing the brand new Honor Magic Earbuds. I definitely recommend those who are currently working at home or studying at home to reduce the distraction around you. And the price is actually really budget friendly. It's only 399 ringgit. So what are you waiting for? See you next time. Bye bye.